Here we are walking up from school. Get a little exercise. This is the road that they've done here, so pretty soon we'll have everything concrete. This is all new. They're still building the riffraff on the side. They've got piles of sand and gravel and rock. They're gonna put a channel up here somewhere for the water to go. But this is the hike up from the school. Kids do this every day. We usually take the multi-cab and pick them up, but today we decided to walk. Kids are having fun on the mounds of sand. They're still working and they still have sections to do up here. They got half of it done. This used to get real bad right here. But it'll be nice once it's all concreted. We can walk. Walk every day, at least when it's not raining. Used to get pretty bad here when it rained. It gets pretty slippery. Here's a section here where they just finished one side. They still have this other side here to do. They've been working on this for, I don't know, close to 8 months now, I think. 6 to 8 months. The sign kind of tells you when it's expected to be done, but it's way past due. They just do a section at a time, half a road at a time. You can see over there they've put riffraff all along the edge of the road there so it doesn't get washed away. They put a culvert up here. It's just kind of a drainage spot into the rice fields. Culvert down there. Let the water flow down into the rice fields here. Water all drains from up there. This is the next section. One side's all dirt still. Rice is looking good down there. Said they built all this wall here. All the way down. They got some drainage pipes poking out. Got a couple guys working up here. Not much of a crew. I think they're gonna put gravel in this side right here before they start doing the concreting on this side, just so that people can pass. This was all dug out with the excavator. Got a helicopter. Don't see many of those here. Not like back in the US. Got a helicopter flying around at night every night. Searchlights on. Chasing a high-speed pursuit. No high-speed pursuits here. Just a few checkpoints every once in a while. Make sure everybody's got their registration and license. Most people don't. So they just stop and wait until the checkpoint shuts down. Or they'll find a detour. Hey, Jesse. His nephew going to pick the girls up from high school. Chainsaw. That's the wood cutter. This is the long uphill stretch. Went down this way before. There is a shortcut through the jungle, but we're just taking the road up. It's all jungle down there. There is a little creek that runs through down there. They have a little well that people get the water from. Here's the trail down to the little well down there. Looks like our bananas didn't get knocked down here. A few more bananas up there. Almost to the top of the hill here. Uh, it's a little native house there. Used to be a big mango tree here, but it got knocked down. Oh, dead. I think this is the stump here. It's all grown over. At least it's a little bit cool today. Everybody's very friendly here. I've been here 2 years almost, or over 2 years here now, so I think everybody recognizes me. I think I'm the only foreigner here. I think there used to be another foreigner from Montana, but they moved back to the States. I think there's an Australian that's moving here soon, or is already here. He's a little farther, but I haven't seen him yet. This is all going to get concreted too, just for a short section. I think from where the concrete ends up there, just right up here. They got a little bang house. This is where they pull in and keep their equipment. These are some of my wife's relatives and friends up here on the top. That's the bang house there. Seems like everybody's related up here. This is a nice spot. It's right up at the top of the hill. Although when Odette came through, it took all their roofs off. Very exposed up here. We're just on the other side as you start to go down. So we're a little bit protected. So, I mean, just the edges of the roof got damaged. The roof didn't get torn off like these houses did. Well, we're almost there. Right over the top of this hill is our house. Then we're building our second house on the top of the next hill on our 3 hectares here. Okay, that's it for today's walk.